Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create real account on MetaTrader 5 on iPhone. So first thing, open your app. Then as you can see on the bottom, we don't have the option to go to messages. So in order to do that, we go to settings on the bottom right corner. Then we will find here chat and messages. We click on it. Then we click on register here. After that, you should have this page. You create your login. For example, I'll choose this login. Then you click register. Then they will send you a password on your Gmail that you choose. Just open your Gmail. Then as you can see here, they sent us a login and password into our Gmail that we choose. Just click on activate account, then login. And now we have activated our account. Let's go back to the app. We go another time. We go again into chat and messages. Now we click on sign in. We put our login. Then click sign in. As you can see here, now we have our real account created on MetaTrader 5. So now we go again into chat and messages. And as you can see here, we will find a lot of broker. You can choose any broker you want. All of them are supporting MetaTrader 5. And even though if you don't find your broker that you want to deal with it, you can add the server manually here. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.